Hello students, in today's video we will talk about improvement in crop yields. All living organisms need food for their survival. Food supplies proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, all of which are required for the development, growth and the health of the body. India is a very populous country, hence a stable production of food supply is one of the most important traits of the country. Efforts are being made to improve the production from agriculture and animal husbandry. We have had the Green Revolution, which have contributed to the increase in food grain production. We have had the White Revolution, which have led to better and more efficient use as well as availability of milk. However, this revolution means that our natural resources are getting used more extensively. Hence, there is a need for sustainable practices in agriculture and animal husbandry. In terms of agriculture, increasing the yield of crops can be done by three methods. Number 1, crop variety improvement. Number 2, crop production management. And number 3, crop protection management. To improve the variety of crops, we need to increase the productivity of the crop per acre. Improved in quality of crops is important. Crop production can go down due to biotic stresses and abiotic stresses under different situations. Varieties resistant to these stresses can improve crop production. The shorter the duration of the crop from sowing to harvesting, the more economical is the variety. Such short duration allow farmers to grow multiple rounds of crops in a year. Short duration also reduces the cost of the crop production. Uniform maturity makes the harvesting process easy and reduces loss during harvesting. Crop production can be managed in three ways. Number 1, nutrient management through manure and fertilizers. Number 2, irrigation. And number 3, cropping patterns. Manure contains large quantities of organic matter and also supply small quantities of nutrients to the soil. While fertilizers are commercially produced plant nutrients, fertilizers supply nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. They are used to ensure good vegetative growth, giving rise to healthy plants. Irrigation. Ensuring that crops get water at the right stage during their growing season can increase the expected yield of any crop. Therefore, many measures are used to bring more and more agricultural land under irrigation. Cropping patterns. Different ways of growing crops can be used to give maximum benefit. Mixed cropping is growing 2 or more crops simultaneously on the same piece of land. Number 3, crop protection management. Field crops are infested by a large number of weeds. If weeds and pests are not controlled at the appropriate time, then they can damage the crops so much that most of the crop is lost. Weeds, insects and disease can be controlled by various methods. One of the most commonly used methods is the use of pesticides, which includes herbicides, insecticides and fungicides. Storage losses in agricultural produce can be very high. Factors responsible for such losses are biotic, which includes insects, rodents, fungi, mites and bacteria, and abiotic, which includes inappropriate moisture and temperature in the place of storage. These factors causes degradation in quality, loss in weight, poor germinability, discoloration of product, all leading to poor marketability. These factors can be controlled by proper treatment and by systematic management of warehouses. I hope that you have learned something about agriculture and how to improve crop yield. Thank you for watching this video.